Hey guys, if you've been struggling with relationships and you think your financial situation might be holding you back, I want to talk about something real quick. I know a lot of you feel like you're stuck. Maybe you want to take that girl out, but you don't feel confident because your bank account's telling you otherwise. Trust me, I've been there, and it's frustrating. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. When you're worried about money, it can make everything in your life harder, especially relationships. It's not just about affording the nice things, it's about feeling like you're in control of your life, like you're moving forward. Women respect a man who's got his stuff together, and one of the biggest parts of that is being financially stable. So, how do you fix that? How do you go from feeling stuck financially to being the guy who can handle his business? Well, let me introduce you to something that helped me: affiliate marketing. I know what you're thinking, isn't that just for internet gurus? No, it's for anyone willing to learn a few simple skills. And once you get it going, it can be a game changer. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money by promoting other people's products online. You don't need to create anything. All you need to do is recommend products that people are already looking for. And when they make a purchase, you get paid. It's that simple. The best part, you can do it from anywhere, anytime. You can start part-time while you work your day job, or go all in and scale it up. Now, I'm not saying affiliate marketing is some get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, but it's work that anyone can do if you're willing to put in the time. And trust me, when you start seeing that money come in, your confidence goes through the roof. You're not worried about paying bills anymore. You can take her out without hesitation, buy that ticket, or just invest in your future. That's why I want to share this course with you. It's the same one that helped me start making real money online. It breaks down everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, step by step, so that even if you have zero experience, you can get started. And here's the best part: if you use my link below, you'll get a discount on the course. It's a solid investment in your future, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Guys, it's time to take control of your finances. Don't let money hold you back anymore, from relationships, from opportunities, from life. Take that first step today. Click the link below, check out the course, and start building a better future. It's time to level up. I'll see you on the inside.